Hey everybody, here's a video to share about the basics of VX charts. As a bonus, I will also share with you a special feature called the Lagmeter at the end. Let's get started. We'll begin by getting some charts on our screen. Click on Playback to bring up the ladder. At the bottom, select a date and play yes to load the charts. The ladder shown here is modeled after infinities. We have another video covering how it can be used to execute trades. Links to that video are on the screen and also in the description below. The playback ladder, as its name suggests, cannot be used to execute real trades. It is only meant as a testing and practice tool to get a realistic view of the broker's ladder. Overall, it behaves identical to the broker's ladder. The ladder is also known as the depth of market, or abbreviated as DOM. You will often find a broker using that term, so just know that they are referring to the ladder. Now that the charts are up, take note that they are based on data recordings of the live market previously. In terms of speed and the amount of movement, they are identical to the live market. Playing it back allows us to review our trades or test out our strategies. Let's zoom in on the charts and understand how they can be customized. Most commonly, traders will switch colors between a black or white theme. Go under the charts and select one of them. We will use the black theme in this video. Each chart also consists of 4 areas, which are the price bars, ERG, PV, and time area. Doing a right click in each area will bring out a different menu. We can go into price bar properties to change specific settings such as the background color. And if we wish to change the color of the bars, that can be found at the top of the ERG properties. We can also change the amount of information shown by double-clicking on the PV area. This will cycle through the zigzag line and the prices on the chart. Generally, most traders only need to change the colors and perhaps hide or show some information. When the charts are configured to your preferences, click on Save. This way, your preferences will be loaded every time VX Charts starts. One of the features found in VX Charts is the Lagmeter, which you can toggle by double-clicking on the time area. The Lagmeter measures the amount of delay in your chart. This should normally be less than 1 second. The delay is also presented in color form. Green meaning 3 seconds or less, yellow meaning 6 seconds or less, and red when the delay is more than 6 seconds. This means you should enter a trade only when the Lagmeter is green. If you already have open positions, there is no need to panic and exit just because the Lagmeter is not green. The brackets will eventually close these positions for you. To the right of each chart, there is also another meter that looks very similar to the Lagmeter. This indicates how much more there is to go before the next bar is formed. On our chart, there is still some way to go as the meter is only about half filled. This is helpful when you're trying to enter a trade at the start of a new bar. I hope this video has helped. If you have any questions, drop us an email at the link found in the description. For more videos like this, subscribe to our channel and click on the bell icon. Thank you for watching.